In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform action buttons. Whether you're new to Jotform or looking to optimize your forms even further, these action buttons can greatly enhance your user experience by allowing for interactive, actionable tasks directly within your forms. Let's begin by heading over to jotform.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one so you can follow along with these instructions. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Jotform account workspace. Navigate over to My Forms. This section houses all the forms you've created so far. It's an organized space where you can select which form table you wish to customize with action buttons. So if you have a form in mind that you think could benefit from these interactive buttons, go ahead and click to open its form table. Now with your form table open, we're going to start customizing. Look towards the top where you'll find the option to add a new column. This action is crucial because it's here that you'll be creating a column specifically for your action buttons, tailored with specific tasks and corresponding entries. After clicking, you'll be presented with several options that you can configure. The key here is to choose the Buttons tab. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to equip your form with various interactive features. Next, consider what actions you would like these buttons to initiate. Jotform provides several options like send email, send form, or request update. Select the action that aligns closely with your goals. For example, if you're using Jotform to collect survey responses and you want to thank or inform respondents, a send email action might be perfect. With your desired action selected, it's time to get into the details. You'll need to set up the specific parameters for each action, like configuring an email template, selecting the particular form to send, or outlining the specifics of an update request. Once the details are configured, head over to the column where you've added your action buttons. Click on the three dots icon next to this column. This will open the column menu. From this menu, select Customize Button Style. This step allows you to add a personal touch to your buttons. You can change the label, adjust the button's color, or even add icons to make your actions more visually appealing and intuitive to users. Finally, take a moment to review all your customizations. The appearance of your buttons should align with the overall design of your form and should effectively convey their function to users. This attention to detail not only enhances the usability of your form, but also adds a polished, professional look. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your Jotform is now equipped with dynamic action buttons, ready to streamline interactions and enhance user engagement. Thanks for following along, and I hope these action buttons serve you well in your Jotform endeavors.